Aloha, I'm Chef Adam Tabura. Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'll be making roasted spaghetti squash and sun-dried tomato butter. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Combine the butter, Thai basil, sun-dried tomatoes, lemon juice, zest, garlic, Italian parsley, and 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Form the compound butter into a block and wrap well in the parchment paper. Label and date your package and place in the freezer. Cut squash in half lengthwise and discard any seeds. Rub the inside of each half of the squash with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Place the squash into a parchment paper lined sheet pan. Skin side up and roast in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Cool until easy to handle. Using a long fork, scrape the squash to make thin strands that resemble spaghetti noodles. Place in a bowl and then into the refrigerator to cool. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil to a large saute pan over medium-high heat. Add the chilled spaghetti squash and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of frozen compound butter and saute until everything comes together. Season with salt and pepper. Do not overcook as the butter will separate if the pan is too hot. For this recipe and more, go to ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Aloha.